We're closer to 40 on a regular basis.
Really?
Yeah.
That's huge.
Yeah. We've got like 60 with sanction cards.
I remember when it was what, 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember that
And
day.
we were excited when it was 12.
I remember that day. I remember talking to Todd. I think I still have that picture that one day I sent you guys the towels and stuff. And that was basically your group right there.
Yeah.
Right? That was all the kids, right?
Yeah.
They would fit like one on a pair of lanes.
Yeah.
And you say you got 40 to 60 now?
Hey guys, welcome back to the third video of the Kajibaba Productions. I'm Summer, known as Summertime. Right there, if you see that. So today we're gonna do some updates, lessons, the video montage, and we're doing a coach's Q&A with a special guest. Be sure to stick around at the end of the video because we're gonna be posing a new challenge with prizes so y'all can win something. You know, I wanna win. Now it's time for a Tay-Tay time. Deuces.
Thanks, Summer. Hi, I'm Taylor, aka Tay-Tay. We finally have some good bowling news. Adam Appo and Dave Freeman at Kauai Bowl indicate that they may open within a couple weeks. While closed, they've been working hard on repairs and improvements, like replacing ceiling fans, repairing shaker boards, and welding in the pits, to name a few. As of now, our third annual Vance Akiyama Memorial Tournament is postponed, but we'll let you know when a date is set. It's been hard not being able to bowl and see everyone, but it was a necessary evil, since it would be pretty hard to social distance properly when bowling. Touching other bowling balls, since no one ever takes their spare ball off the rack. And did you hear that not many bowlers wash their hands after going to the bathroom? Really? Gross. And now for this week's lesson, here's the chef and Kocho.
Hey guys, Alicia here, also known as the chef, because I'm currently enrolled at KCC's culinary program. For today's lesson, we're going to keep it real simple, but really effective. You've probably seen this done a lot recently online, or in our last video. It's the no-step drill.
Hey, chef. Yeah, I love the no-step drill and the one-step drill. It's super effective. You don't need a whole lot of space to do it, and you can work on a whole variety of things. But for today, chef, what are we going to focus on?
This is a great drill for while we're away from the lanes. Helps keep your grip in shape. Improves balance at the foul line.
So yeah, keeping your grip in shape with a ball that properly fits. You don't have to squeeze very much, but still you keep that familiar feel in your hand. If you don't bowl for a long time, the first thing that tends to go is your release. So this is a good way to keep that familiar feel and keep some of the muscles you use in your hand in shape. Ugh, what's up with that face?
One thing to focus on is keeping the loose, flowing, easy, swinging swing. Swinging swing? Swinging swing. I like using a mirror when doing this drill to check the direction of my backswing. Sometimes what we feel can be different from what we're actually doing.
That's a good one, chef. I really like using a mirror as well. You'll know right away if what you're feeling is what's actually happening. I've caught myself several times, certain weeks, certain days where you just don't feel sharp. For me, a lot of the times it was the direction of my backswing. And I mean, it sounds so simple. It should just go straight back, straight forward, or sometimes, depending on your swing, it may not be perfectly straight back, but you know where it should be. I tend to wrap the ball behind me a little bit when I get off, and that's my problem. And even though I feel like I'm not doing it sometimes, it's happening. So if your backswing's not going in the direction that it should be going, if you don't even know what's happening, you're going to compensate in other ways where you don't really want to. You're going to have to be changing things at the foul line, changing things from the top of the backswing. It's going to cause a whole bunch of other problems. There's a glass at the pro shop that I've lined up with on lanes 3 and 4. Using that reflection, it's a great tool to see what's actually going on.
You can even work on your release and follow through, as long as you have something soft, maybe some pillows, or something you don't mind, like hitting with your bowling ball. That's it. Simple, effective, no step drill. Thanks again for watching. My name is Alicia, also known as the chef. Oh, it's time for me to go cook. Woo! I almost forgot. Rallum, you're up.
Hey, we'll get back to Rallum soon. We had a great coaches Q&A, but this video was getting a little long. We'll have the whole thing available in the future, but just so we don't lose you, we just want to let you know, for the next few moments, we're going to introduce you to our special guest and cover a little bit of how the interview went. All right, Rallum.
Up next. Hi, I'm Callum Meredith. Our next segment, brand new to Kajibaba Productions, is a coach's Q&A. We have a very special guest joining us from the Hawaii Bowlers Tour on Oahu, Coach Chad Pohas. What are your motivators? How do you get started, and who or what inspires you?
Who inspires me to keep going? The kids. For the ones that really want it, I mean, they're not afraid. To me, if I have the ability to give and somebody can take advantage of that, I'm all for it, you know. That pushes me to better myself too. And the other thing is, it keeps the kids out of trouble. It keeps them off the street. You know, give them some sense of security where they can go Saturdays or Sundays, get a little exercise, you know, physically and mentally. A lot of times now, you see families coming in together, the parents, grandparents, as a family kind of gathering thing. I think that's cool.
Tell us about yourself and how you've led up to your position as a coach today.
A lot of people tell me, why are you doing it? Like, my reward is seeing the kids going off to school, getting education, you know, being able to do something at the next level. Who knows, maybe they'll be bowling pros later. The things I do now for like coaching and events, I actually owe it to Mako Kobayashi, because he was the person when I was there. Mako was there for everybody. It didn't matter if you were bowling for his club or not. What I do is based off of what he did for me. It's just giving everybody opportunity to do what they love to do. He doesn't know that he did it for me. It's just that how I feel, where he was that person that I looked up to, because, you know, he was there for everybody. It didn't matter. Yeah.
We keep hearing things about being productive and coming out ahead of the pack after this quarantine. As a coach, what are your thoughts on this, and what advice would you give to athletes stuck inside their homes?
A lot of it, I mean, physically, yeah, you can do like one-step drills and do all of that. But this is the perfect time to kind of build a stronger mindset for everybody, I think. Building their confidence level. I think this is the best time to do it, because you don't have time to go on the lanes, but you can always visualize what you're doing. You know, you can always go back and think in your head, you know, I'm sure when we bowled, I know what I did at what tournament, if I won or lost, and how did it affect me. And then I also know what consistently made me bowl better. And for me, it's a lot of reading books. In fact, I have all these workbooks, and even on my my website, I have all these audio video for all my members that they can go in anytime they want and, you know, refer to any of them. But what I tell them is, don't read it from front to back, or don't watch it from front to back. Skim through it, see what gets you interested, start there, and then go back and forth.
Thanks to Coach Chad for joining us. If you have any questions you want to ask any of the coaches, put them in the comments and we'll try to get to them next time.
Bro, this the wrong shirt. Where'd this shirt come from? I don't know. Anyways, hey, what is up, you guys? I'm Omi and welcome to the challenge segment. We have a challenge for you to do with us. As you know, you can get pretty creative with these videos or Zoom calls that you have with school, family, and friends. So our challenge to you is to send us your virtual background that you would like to see us on. When creating your virtual background, the sky is the limit, as long as it's family friendly, fun, and appropriate. Some examples could be pictures, screenshots, or quotes. Entries are open to anyone and everyone, and you can send your image to Coach Todd's email at todozaki@gmail.com. This is the link. The winner will be announced next episode, and the prizes are awesome. So don't be scared, get creative, and we can't wait to see your submissions. That's all for your challenges. Thank you for watching. Once again, I'm Omi, and now back to Coach Todd.
How'd you do that? And where's my background? Anyway, this thing's a little bit tight. But... Up next is the moment you all have been patiently waiting for, our video montage. And I am pleased to announce that our very own Kobe, also known as Kobabe, put together this film for you guys. It features him and Callum, aka Rallum Ballum, showing off some pretty impressive kendama skills. I was pretty blown away. You'll see as I tampered with the video a little bit. So enjoy, and remember, you want to get involved in these videos, you know where to reach me. Don't forget to submit your challenges. If you have any questions for the coaches, comment below, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy.
So hey guys, it's been a while. Hey guys, you guys been doing good? And staying productive like the adults say. I know during this time we would rather hear the sound of but we can't right now, so let's stay positive and pull through this quarantine together. Because we can. I hope you guys enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Don't
That's huge.